my name is Jessica Sharma, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So, as you all know by the title of the video, I am answering all the assumptions that I posted a story on Instagram asking that if you have any assumptions, I'll be making a video particular for it to answer all the things I got. I'll be answering all of them for you guys. So let's start. Okay, so I have all the assumptions with me right here. So I'll be answering them. So the first assumption I got is, in the beginning when I didn't know you, I used to think कि आप में बहुत attitude होगा. I don't know why, but अब ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. So a lot of you guys think कि मेरे में बहुत attitude है, कि बात नहीं करेगी या stuff. यहाँ पे construction चल रही है तो please just ignore, okay? So everyone thinks this thing कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड होगा. she'll be like I don't want to talk to you, बड़ा bitchy behavior होगा. And I hear that a lot about me. This assumption is absolutely wrong, like wrong. I am not that bitchy attitude लड़की, but trust me, if you get to know me, you'll see that this is the second assumption I have is like you support LGBTQ plus community. So this assumption is totally right. I totally support them, and I do have some friends in that community, and the friends that I have, they are totally like my family. So I support the community as much as I can. So this assumption is totally true. Third one is you are super rich and you live a luxurious life. This is one. And the second one I got is you are very very rich. So I guess ये दोनों similar है, so I'll be answering them together only. So I am not very very rich. It's totally bullshit. ठीक है. I live in a upper middle class family, and I am super happy with whatever I have right now in my life. Everything is like I am satisfied with what I have right now in my life, and it's not like कि मैं super rich हूँ. I am like I live in a middle class family and I'm just happy. So that is all matters for me. As long as you are happy, that is the thing जो आपको matter करती होनी चाहिए. So this assumption is wrong. You seem to be really friendly. Yes, I am. You just have to drop a text and see. I don't reply to any anonymous like person on Instagram. To be very honest, I'm not like कि कोई भी hi भेजेगा तो I'm dropping a hi. Just tell me if you want to talk. Just tell me what you find like similar, what you like if you like something about me or in my feed, and if you want any like suggestion or like anything like related to like for example, I got few DMs कि you are making this comedy reels now, so how do you get the ideas and stuff. So I had a word with all of them and it was really fun to have a word with them. So it's like कि तुम मुझे message करो, and if I find that कि हाँ I can talk to you guys, then I'll definitely do. I don't have a problem कि like I will not reply to him or her or something. If I find that okay, then I'll definitely go, and you'll see that how friendly I am. You can go and ask my friends and how talkative and how friendly I am. So you are a very pampered child. Yes, I am. I am a single child. My parents are like obviously थोड़ा extra treatment मिलता ही है ना single child को. So yes, and they totally love me a lot. They pamper me a lot, no doubt. So but after Patola came into our life like 5 years back, 4.5 years back, उसके बाद से I'm not being pampered. Just note this thing down. पटोला मेरे से ज़्यादा पैम्पर होती है. I don't get that pampered पटोला के आने के बाद. So मेरे सारी attention is divided with पटोला, but it's not like कि मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए तो मुझे मिल जाएगा. I only get those things जिसकी मुझे ज़रूरत है, not like कि कुछ भी दे देंगे मुझे लेकर. You are an introvert. This assumption is wrong. I am not an introvert. I am an extrovert. I can talk as much as you want. मुझसे जितना मर्जी बुलवा लो. I am very talkative, very 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 talkative. This is wrong. I am an extrovert and I love to meet new people. I love to explore things about each other and about their lifestyle, the things they love or stuff. So I'm very friendly इस चीज़ में. So yes, I am an extrovert and a very friendly girl. So just note it down. You can talk to me. One is you love working out. No, this assumption is absolutely, I'll not say no, but it's like a 50-50. It's more like I don't love to work out, but sometimes it's like I feel very low, कुछ भी नहीं किया पूरे दिन, and then I decide to go for a run or something. वैसे तो I go on a walk like every morning, like with my like whole family. I go around 5:30 every morning for like an hour. I go for a walk पूरे एक घंटे के लिए. So that is not particular working out, and sometimes I work out as well, like in the park only with my mom. But it's like कि अगर मैंने पूरे दिन भी कुछ नहीं किया and then शाम को if I'm working out घर पे, तो I feel really happy. I love working out. Working out is like thumbs up for me, but it's like totally 50-50. It totally depends on my mood, nothing else. Okay, not an assumption, but a fact that you are damn pretty. Thank you. 8th is you are not a professional model. Okay. So this is also one of the questions that I think a lot of you might think कि ये professional model नहीं है. She don't post like total like shoots के, but मैं घर पे ही shoots करती हूँ mostly. So I started modeling when I was 7 years old, and I stopped it when I was like 11 because I went hostel, and according to my mom, like उस time पे I was like growing age, so she said that she stopped my modeling and stuff so that I can come back as a proper teen model. So now I'll be like starting the modeling assignments and stuff. It's not like कि मैंने 7 to 11 के बीच में जितना कर लिया and उसके बाद मैंने अभी तक बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. I did few shoots, मतलब not in a like the way I used to do कि in a week I'm going for like 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 shoots sometimes. वैसा नहीं I'm not doing, but I'll be getting back on track as soon as this lockdown and stuff जब भी ये थोड़ा और normal हो जाएगा, तो I'll be like doing it again. And like in the age like 7 to 11, I did more than 150 shoots, like more than 150, 200 maybe, and I worked with such brands like Panasonic, Sony, HDFC Bank, Access and stuff, like big brands. So I don't know if I should say myself a professional model or not because I took a break, like a huge break. Okay, this is not an assumption. First, same person. First is such a cute doggo name. Cute doggo. What's his name? First of all, she's a bitch. Her name is Patola, and I know she's very cute, but she's like very, very, very naughty. And the second one is I don't make assumptions. Your profile has a genuine vibe, so thank you so much. Means a lot. You are very calm in real life. I am not. I am very like short tempered. रियल लाइफ में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से. Like if I don't get the thing the way I wanted it to be, like I wanted the outcome like इसमें, but इसमें ऐसे निकल गया, so obviously मुझे गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी चढ़ जाता है. I get irritated बहुत जल्दी, so I think I need to work on that. So this assumption is wrong. I'm not really calm. मतलब it's not like कि हाँ कुछ situation है ऐसी जिसमें काम रहना है और उसमें भी मैं चिल्ला उठ रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. I stay calm in don't reply to comments. Okay. So I am like so busy with creating content nowadays. I am like रोज post करना. I have to post like every day. It's like a thing for me. क्योंकि the more I stay like consistent like posting stuff Instagram पे, I get more followers, more engagement on my account, and that is what every artist wants. So I am working very, very hard for Instagram content. I am like into IGTV, I am dancing, I am creating comedy content and fashion videos. That is what my main thing. The thing about commenting, I told you I have a really hard time going on with creating content again, like a lot of pressures, because I have to search for content, then I have to think about it, what will be like relatable to people, what will be something that लोगों को देख के अच्छा लगेगा and stuff. So it takes a lot of you know मेहनत लगती है, and then I have to write it down, then I have to plan it out, then I have to shoot and edit, and then I have to post it. So it's like a huge process, and then after posting उसके बाद I don't have much time because I start working on my another project. I start working on the next video. So it's like yes, and yesterday night only I realized this thing कि I should reply to comments. I don't know why I'm not replying. पहले it was like कि I just post a video, photo, whatever I do. उसके बाद ही I am just replying एक दिन बाद. That was the thing I used to do, and that is the thing I should follow right now. So yesterday also I replied to one of my video के सारे comments. It's I guess sometimes it's difficult to reply to like 100 comments एक ही बार में. It's really frustrating. So I'll be doing it like half or whatever I think is good for me. So I'll be commenting now. So I'm sorry if I'm not commenting commenting back. So you can't see any single thing without your glasses, isn't it? Okay. So I have eye problems since by birth I have eye problems, and I got my first specs when I was 4 years old. So अब लगा लो उस हिसाब से I am 17 years old. So it's been 13 years कि I am wearing the specs, and I have a huge number. So the thing is कि ऐसा नहीं कि उतारते I get that blackout and मैं गिर जाऊँ and stuff, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट ज़्यादा देर स्पेक्स उतार के इफ़ आई एम डूइंग कोई भी काम तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे सिर में दर्द हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी यूज्ड टू दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ राइट नाउ. तो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन नॉट सी, आई वोंट से कि आई डोंट सी कुछ भी, आई सी थिंग्स बट बहुत ब्लरी उसमें कि इफ़ आई जस्ट रिमूव माई स्पेक्स सो मुझे सब ब्लर दिखता है. इट्स नॉट कि मुझे सब कुछ भी नहीं दिखता है, मुझे ब्लर दिखता है. एंड इफ़ आई वांट टू रीड समथिंग, इफ़ आई वांट टू इफ़ मैंने स्पेक्स उतार दिया फ़ोन में चांस तो आई हैव टू गेट दिस फोन लाइक इतने पास आई हैव टू गेट इट. सो आई हैव टू बी लाइक स्पेक्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन माई लाइफ. Last assumption and the mostly like the frequently asked question I get in my request is you are around 18 or 19. So and 18 and 19. No, I am not 18 or 19. I am 17 years old. I turned 17 this year only. I turned 17 on 6th of September 2020. So everyone thinks I am a college student, and मैं 18, 19 or 20, 21 also I have heard about me. वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I am just a 17 years old girl. और this is totally wrong. I don't know सबको क्यों लगता है कि मैं बड़ी हूँ and like क्यों no. So this is wrong. सबके लिए I am saying I have a lot of people saying like कौन सा कॉलेज है, कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो, आप तो बहुत बड़े लगते हो, आप कहाँ हो 17 years के, कहाँ से कैसे. So it's like I am 17, please note this down. Like जैसी भी लगती हो I am 17 dude. Okay, so with this I'll be ending this video right now, right here, because सब done है. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be like more active on YouTube. I'll try my best to drop in some cool ideas for my next YouTube video. मेरे पास ideas नहीं है, that is why I'm not shooting much and it's like थोड़ा time consuming. So please drop in some ideas and I'll see you.